Deep within the earth, hidden from the gaze of time, lay a secret. This secret, buried for millennia, whispered of a lost people. Their lives and skills long vanished from the earth. It spoke of their existence, their daily struggles, and their triumphs. Their tools and remnants, untouched by time, lay in silence. Then, in the summer of 2024, that silence was broken. A team of archaeologists, driven by curiosity and passion, exploring a remote cave system in Gibraltar, stumbled upon an extraordinary find. It was a Neanderthal workshop, a place where ancient hands crafted tools and artifacts. This workshop had remained untouched for 60,000 years, preserving a moment in time. The discovery sent ripples of excitement through the scientific community, igniting imaginations worldwide. Here, preserved beneath layers of sediment, was a glimpse into the lives of our closest extinct relatives. The Neanderthals, who inhabited Europe and parts of Asia, were not the brutish cavemen of popular imagination. This find promised to shed light on their intelligence, their craftsmanship, and their capacity for innovation. The world waited with bated breath as the team began their meticulous work, uncovering secrets layer by layer. Each artifact, each tool, told a story of a people who were far more sophisticated than we ever imagined. The Neanderthals were innovative, resourceful, and skilled, challenging our perceptions of prehistoric life. As the excavation continued, the world watched, eager to learn more about these ancient relatives. The meticulous work of the archaeologists promised to reveal a rich tapestry of Neanderthal life, forever changing our understanding of human history. The cave, known as Vanguard Cave, was a labyrinth of tunnels and chambers, part of the Gorham's Cave in Gibraltar, a UNESCO World Heritage Site since 2016, revealing advanced adhesive production techniques. The Neanderthal workshop, located deep within the cave system, was a scene frozen in time and includes a specialized hearth structure used to extract birch bark tar, a natural adhesive employed by Neanderthals to haft stone tools onto wooden handles. This process, known as anoxic heating, involves heating birch bark in the absence of oxygen to produce tar, indicating a sophisticated understanding of materials and controlled use of fire. The team, led by the renowned archaeologist Dr. Camille Dubois, moved with the utmost care. Every stone, every fragment, could hold a clue to the past. The workshop was a testament to Neanderthal ingenuity. Scattered across the cave floor were tools of various shapes and sizes, all crafted from flint. There were hand axes used for butchering animals and shaping wood. There were scrapers, used for cleaning hides and preparing food. And there were even delicate blades, so sharp that they could have been used for surgery. Each artifact told a story. The tools, crafted with skill and precision, spoke of a deep understanding of the properties of flint. The presence of different tool types suggested a complex division of labor, and the sheer number of artifacts hinted at a thriving community, sustained by their craftsmanship. Perhaps the most intriguing discovery was a series of markings on the cave wall in Vanguard Cave, Gibraltar. These etchings, too faint to be called art, were nonetheless deliberate. They seemed to represent a form of communication, a way of recording thoughts and ideas. Could these be glimpses into the minds of the Neanderthals? Could they hold the key to understanding their language, their beliefs, their very essence? The discovery of the Neanderthal workshop in Vanguard Cave, Gibraltar, is a watershed moment in our understanding of human evolution. It opens a window into a world that existed tens of thousands of years ago, revealing the ingenuity and adaptability of our ancient relatives. It challenges long-held assumptions about our extinct cousins, painting a picture of a people far more sophisticated than previously imagined. These findings force us to rethink the narrative of human history. The tools, the markings, and the artifacts, the very existence of the workshop itself, all serve as a testament to their advanced cognitive abilities. These discoveries point to a level of cognitive ability that rivals our own, suggesting that Neanderthals were capable of complex thought and problem-solving, as well as the ability to manipulate natural resources. The chemical analyses of the site have also identified traces consistent with the combustion of resinous material, supporting the conclusion that the Neanderthals engaged in complex manufacturing processes. The Neanderthals were not simply survivors. They were innovators, constantly adapting and improving their tools and techniques. They were artists, creating symbolic art and intricate carvings, and thinkers who pondered their existence and environment. They adapted to their environment, they formed communities, and they developed social structures that supported their way of life. They left behind a legacy that echoes through the millennia, a legacy that continues to shape our understanding of what it means to be human. The discovery at Vanguard Cave is a powerful reminder that our story, the story of humanity, is far richer and more complex than we ever imagined. It is a tapestry woven from many threads, each one adding depth and color to the grand narrative of our shared past. The Neanderthals are gone, lost to the mists of time. Their presence, however, lingers in the shadows of our history. Yet, in their absence, they have left us a gift, a deeper understanding of ourselves and our origins. For in their story, we see echoes of our own, the drive to create, the desire to understand, and the need to explore, the yearning to leave our mark on the world. These are the threads that bind us across the chasm of time, connecting us to our ancient ancestors. The work at Vanguard Cave in Gibraltar continues, uncovering layers of history. Each day brings new discoveries, new pieces of the puzzle, new insights into the lives of these enigmatic people who once walked the same earth as we do now. The Neanderthal Workshop is more than just an archaeological site. It is a testament to human ingenuity. It is a time capsule, preserving the essence of a bygone era, a portal to a lost world, rich with stories waiting to be told. And as we peer through that portal, we catch a glimpse of our own reflection, a mirror to our past, staring back at us from the depths of prehistory, reminding us of our shared journey through time. If you enjoyed this journey through time, please subscribe, like, and share this video. See you on the next one.